Stay at the end of the video, I'm gonna tell you how to come ride with us. Guys, riding season is almost here in Calgary, and I am going to tell you everything you need to know about protecting your bike so you don't destroy its paint this summer. First step, if you have a new bike, the most important thing you can do is put paint protection film on it before your paint gets chipped. Whether it's other drivers, riding in a pack, you name it, everything wants to chip your paint. Start off with some paint protection film on all your high impact areas. For us, we offer 3 different packages. Package number 1 is going to be your basic full front protection. That is going to be your front fender, front of your forks, fairing, headlights, front of your bags, and top of your bags. We call that level 1. Going up to level 2 is going to be everything in that first package, but we're going to give you the extended coverage down the side of the bags. And then level 3 is going to a full wrap. We're going to do your side covers, rear fender, just gives you complete peace of mind when you're riding. Number 2, ceramic coating. After you've invested in PPF, you want to make sure you protect it. We all know how many bugs get stuck to the front of our bikes when we're riding. You leave it in the hot sun, it's going to stain the film. Adding a ceramic coating will not only protect your film from staining, but it's going to make the bike easier to clean. Whether you invested in a full wrap or a partial wrap, that ceramic coating is going to add a glass layer, protecting your paint, protecting the film, and making your life way easier and way more enjoyable. Number 3, we can put a sealant on the soft surfaces of your bike, whether it's leather, vinyl, Alcantara. It'll help waterproof it and make it more resistant to staining. And finally, if you're local to Calgary or you're in the area, come ride with us. We're hosting rides with our friends over at Elev8 Motorcycles. After work, come for a burn, come grab some food. We'd love to meet you. And just to make sure your bike's ready to go for the season, we're offering pickup and drop off as well as ready to ride specials. Give us a call, come see us today.